What is up, guys? Adrian here from Losh TV. We're here with Lexi. We're going to be giving you a basic update on everything Universal. Also, before we drove here, there was a Horror Nights announcement. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. But right now, we got to go check out what's brand new here at City Walk. So let's get in there. Now, as we walk in, we still don't know when they're going to update this sign. There's literally still nothing here. If you guys remember, it's supposed to say, "Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort." However, right now, it just has a bunch of lines. So fill in the blank. And if you guys have been living under a rock, we have gotten something brand new announced for City Walk, a new form of entertainment. So right now we're gonna walk towards it and let you guys see it because they have added some signage to where this is gonna be, meaning the speculation was correct that the Groove was getting replaced by Universal's Great Movie Escape. Now that's gonna be 2 escape rooms as of now, one featured by Jurassic World and then the other is Back to the Future. You better believe that when this opens, we will try our hardest to get out here. But this is awesome to have some new entertainment here, and I can't wait to check it out. And now as we walk up to the gate, we have something new already. Last time I was here, this was not here. We now have a medallion for Minions, The Rise of Gru, which releases July 1st, which is next week. So yeah, very excited. I'm pretty sure these little yellow guys are gonna be a main theme today. So let's go see what the Minions have in store for us today. And as we walk into Universal, it is a very crowded day, very busy. But I need to let you guys know this one thing. This park is basically construction central, meaning in a few years, this is gonna basically be a brand new park. But what we're here for right now, we gotta walk into the Hello Kitty store and see if they have the one thing that we're looking for. All right, guys, so we went into the store and they did not have the popcorn bucket that we wanted. Very sad. I'll put a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see it. I blame Lexi. She didn't want to drive down here. We were in Miami. It's fine. It's a nice bucket. Hopefully they release more like this. I mean, it's sold out quickly, so maybe we'll get something similar to this in the near future. Now as we start to make our way through the park, we see that they started to take down some of the signage for the Monsters Cafe, and that really hurts. But here's some fun stuff to lighten you up. We have, I believe the game is called... what's that game called again? Speed of Light, but right now it's roped off. Also here in the Music Plaza stage, you have a preview to Minions Rise of Gru. So it's going to be over here, you walk in, and you just watch it on those side screens. So that's pretty cool. We are not going to check this out. We're just going to wait for the whole movie to come out and watch it later on. But I like that. It's pretty awesome. Pretty different. They've never done this before for a movie. So I like it. All right, guys, as we keep going through the park, we'll take a break from the Minions and go into the tribute store because they have added a few more things in here that have became speculation towards Horror Nights for some people. So let's check it out and find out. And here it is. It's talking about how the Tribute Theater has shed all of its previous curses. Tragedy? Despair? Could this lead to us having a similar type of tribute store for Horror Nights? Who knows? But that's just what I think. And as you guys can see, the Mummy is still closed. Hopefully opening sometime later this summer. But we'll see. I really think it'll open before Horror Nights, but who knows? Anything is possible. It is a hot day, so we got our Starbucks to get our food on, and Lexi's getting ready to tear her food up. So this is just our minor break before we get back to the action. Now we are back over here in KidZone, in which Lexi over here told me that I wouldn't go down 5 slide. I'm here to prove her wrong. Told you I'd do it. Told you so.
Oh yeah, he did.
Okay. I'm just built different.
At least I didn't bet on money.
Anyways, now we're gonna walk back to DreamWorks Theater where we have the new meet and greet location for Shrek and Fiona. And potentially, rumors are saying behind these blue walls are where we're gonna see Donkey again. So we'll see. Let's go meet Shrek and Fiona because we love us some Shrek and Fiona.
Sorry, you saw my work schedule. You know that feeling. You look at it. Hey!
I'm just saying hi to you guys, that's it.
Oh.
Yeah. How do you like your new location?
I don't love it.
Yeah.
I miss my friends.
Yeah.
That's okay. I miss Donkey. I mean, I see you all the time.
You're the best. We love seeing you.
I see him every day.
Yeah.
I just miss hanging out with Donkey, but that's okay.
One day.
He'll be back soon.
Where are the kids?
Now he's gonna be mad. Gingerbread Man's watching.
Oh, okay. Gingerbread Man's watching.
They
Makes
will
sense.
try to eat him.
Makes sense.
But he
All
can run pretty fast. So
he got
this.
this. Yeah, he got this. All right. I love you guys both. Take care.
I have to make him feel better about himself.
Makes sense. No, I love you the most though.
He
Since the last time we came out here, the crepe stand has opened. Awesome. Also, since the last time we were in the park, we have heard some really sad news. The Williams of Hollywood, or the prop shop as some people may know it, is closing for good this weekend, June 26th. So, really sad, but hey, we're gonna go take one last look inside of it before it's gone forever. Now inside of the prop shop, we have some stuff that was inside of Monsters Cafe. The chairs, the tables. Man, feels like everything's leaving us all at once, but it's okay. Bigger and better things are on the way. Now, prop shop, I will miss you. You were great. I barely purchased anything from here. However, today, I purchased 2 stickers. They were 2 for $1. Couldn't say no. And thank you for all the memories. You're great. I will 100% miss you. But now we have some Horror Nights merch to go check out that just released today because we got a house announced. Alright guys, and here's the shirt. It features the grabber from the Black Phone and then the killer from Freaky. I love this design. I love how the red and the blue mesh together. It gives it that like 3D feel. And I haven't purchased a shirt from the Horrors of Blumhouse ever, so this is going to be my first time buying a Horrors of Blumhouse shirt. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And then here is the ornament. It's cool, but I don't see myself buying any of the ornaments because I don't really have a Christmas tree. So, not that I don't like Christmas, I just don't really have a Christmas tree. But let's buy our shirt, and then afterwards, I can give you guys a review of this movie because we're gonna watch it. All right, guys, we just finished watching The Black Phone, and I gotta say, better than I expected it to be. I went in with like decent expectations, not expecting the world, not expecting like the world's best horror film. I liked it. I won't say I loved it. There were some good horror elements, and they were used right. Meaning, the jump scares that are in this film don't feel like they're forced. You see that in a lot of horror movies, a lot of forced jump scares. This didn't feel like it had any force. It was just there for effect, and that's what a jump scare should be. Facts. Now, will this translate well to Horror Nights? I want to say maybe. I need to see how they execute it, because I was talking to Lexi about it before we were walking out of the theater. I feel as if they can have that phone ringing and then have a scare pertaining to spoilers. If you haven't seen the movie yet, click off. Spoiler again. Spoiler. One of the dead kids. There's 5 dead children and 1 that's alive. So maybe they'll have the phone ring and then have the killer killing him, basically giving us our insight into how the killer killed them, because we don't see that in the movie. We don't see how the killer killed the kids. So,
I feel like that just hit you.
yeah, just hit me at once. That, and maybe we'll see like black balloons scattered around. Maybe we'll see a hallway of black balloons.
I'm sure.
Like, it'll be cool.
It reminds me, if you guys have ever seen the movie Amber Alert, or like any of those movies where kids get abducted. It's exactly.
It feels like those kind of movies. I mean, I liked it. It's a solid movie. I mean, I'd watch it again right before Horror Nights to get some APHN.
Now, is it going to be scary? My personal opinion, no. Like, if like whatever happened in the house, like in the movie, happens in the house, it's not gonna be really scary. Like, they'll obviously, like, the sounds is what gets people at Horror Nights, but like honestly, like, it'll be a fun house to go through, but it won't be like terrifying. Like maybe some of the other houses that will be set up for this year. So who knows?
We'll see.
I like the movie. It's not the best, but like Blumhouse has stepped up their
game a lot. That new intro at the beginning of the movie,
yeah.
Oh my god, it had Michael Myers, it had stuff from like almost every Blumhouse film. It just spoke wonders to me. Anyways, I hope you guys had a fun time with us today. We had a lot of fun. Hope you did as well. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Subscribe if you guys haven't done so already. And stay excellent, my dudes.